Good morning and welcome to Thursday. Today we're doing subtracting fractions with like and unlike denominators, and as I mentioned yesterday, it's the exact same process that we followed yesterday. So I'm going to try writing a little bit bigger. I noticed that yesterday's video, I think I was getting a little bit too small for you guys to easily see the numbers that I was writing down. So if I'm subtracting fractions, again we're going to start with like denominators. If I have 5/7 minus 2/7, are my denominators the same? Yes, they are. I can write it down. Now I subtract the numerators. 5 subtract 2 is 3. Question finished. If I have 21 over 25, and I'm going to subtract 7 over 25, are my denominators the same? Yes, they are. Write it down. I need a bigger whiteboard. Let's fix that up. And I can subtract. 21 subtract 7 is 14. Pretty simple. Now we're going to go to what we did yesterday with unlike denominators. If I have the subtraction question of 4/5 subtract 1/6, are my denominators the same? No, they're not. So I have to go back to finding my lowest common multiple. My multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and I went a little bit farther today because I noticed yesterday when I dealt with 5 and 7, I had to carry the 5s a little bit further. So I just started out that way today. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. And I've reached my common multiple. The lowest common multiple of 5 and 6 is 30. Sorry, seemed to be a little bit messy. So what did I multiply 5 by to get 30? I multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 times 6. What do I do to the bottom? I have to do to the top. 4 times 6. Here, 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gave me 30. So 1 times 5 becomes my new numerator. 4 times 6 is 24. And our denominator is 30. Subtract 1 times 5 is 5, and 6 times 5 is 30. I now have a common denominator of 30. I can just subtract the numerators. Write down that denominator. 24 subtract 5 is 19. 4/5 subtract 1/6 becomes 19 over 30. I think you guys get the idea of this. Again, if you look at the Google Doc, I have given examples of everything. So I'm not going to do another example on here right now. I hope everybody has a great day, and I will see you tomorrow when we look at multiplying fractions, which I think you're all really going to like because it's pretty darn simple. Have a great Thursday. I'll see you tomorrow.